Now is available at McCarthy Cars, Range Rover Evoque, 63 plate 2013, metallic black. Car has front daylights, it's got front headlight washer, it's got front parking sensor, it's got 20-inch alloy wheels, privacy rear glass, it's got panoramic glass roof. Car has rear parking sensor. Split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got side and front airbags. 5 headrests. ISOFIX chassis preparation. Full electric windows. Got electric mirror. Meridian. Premium sound system. Electric seats. Glass roof. Car has satellite navigation. It's got push button to start. Touchscreen, DAB, radio, Bluetooth. CD, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive mode, 2 central cup holders, a multifunction steering wheel, paddle shift, cruise control speed limiter. Thank you for watching.